Hello, welcome and welcome back to this channel. My name is Nikesa. If you're new here, please don't leave without subscribing. We are here to learn Kenyan Sign Language. And today, as I look down here, I'm looking at a song and we're going to sign it. It is in Kenyan Sign Language. So let's do this. Rain, rain, go. Rain, rain, come. Rain, come another day. Rain, rain, love. Again, the first one. Rain, rain, go. Rain, rain, come. Rain, come another day. Rain, rain, love. Rain, water, bring. Rain, food, grow. Rain, grass, grow. Rain, rain, good. Again, rain, water, bring. Rain, food, grow. Rain, grass, grow. Rain, rain, good. Thank you so much for watching this video. That was a song about the rain. I know we know the song in English. Please write the English version in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.